Welcome back up on the mountain today. We're going to take the Jeep and the dump trailer to the store to get wood for the RV barn. It seems easier than using the little mini truck. All right, we got the trailer all loaded up. Let's get to the store. All right, we need about 6 paver stones. Check. Now we got to go get some concrete. That's what we're looking for. Check. Now we got to get some lumber. All right, I think that's enough for one cart. Good thing we brought the trailer. There's no way all that would have fit on the tiny truck. Let's go check out. All right, all we have to do is get all of this in there. That sounds like a workout. All right, we're all loaded up. 16 2x6x12s, 16 2x6x8s, 6 paver stones, a little bit of concrete. Let's get back to the mountain and get to work. Well, it's a beautiful day for a drive, so I'm just gonna write some music and let you guys enjoy the scenery on the way home. All right, we're heading back to the mountains. You can see them up there in the distance. It's nice when you get to go to town, go shopping.
Got the town in the rear view, the sun sinking low. Jeep's a little heavy, got the heavy load. Chainsaw on the splitter, feel 'em bumping in the back. Loaded down with firewood, right on track. The highway stretched out, straight and gray, shaking off the dust of the end of the day. And the mountains are calling, loom big and tall. Past the last town, standing like a wall. Just me and this Jeep, pulling that wood, leaving the world behind, misunderstood. Tires hit the dirt, feels just like coming home. Leaving the gravel for the red clay lawn. See the old deer stand up on the rise, his twinkle of the first stars in the evening skies. Engine starts to strain on the steeper grade, every climbing mile a memory made. Leave the worries down on the pavement below. Got a fire to build, got a long way to go. And the mountains are calling, loom big and tall. Past the last town, standing like a wall. Just me and this Jeep, pulling that wood, leaving the world behind, misunderstood. Tires hit the dirt, feels just like coming home. Leaving the gravel for the red clay lawn. Windows are down, the air's turning cool. Feel the mountain breeze breaking every rule. This old road's a ribbon winding to the top. Ain't a single reason that I'd ever want to stop. Yeah, the mountains are calling, loom big and tall. Past the last town, standing like a wall. Just me and this Jeep, pulling that wood, leaving the world behind, understood. Tires hit the dirt, feels just like coming home. Climbing the ridge on that dusty lawn. Heading on the ridge, feels just like home. Got a work to do, Yeah, I'm not alone, me in the mountain sweet song.
All right, we're back at the work site. I think we're just going to park the trailer right here. We are going to need it tomorrow to go get decking boards, and we're going to need a whole bunch of decking boards, probably about 40 or 50. So the trailer will come in handy for that. So for now, let's just unhook it and get to work. And yeah, we chalked the trailer. Well, we just got back to the house. Normally we load our tools up in the mini truck, but it looks like we have some power line activity going on out here. Yeah. The driveway's blocked, no electricity, but that's okay. And make sure to get outside, do something fun, come back and tell me about it.